Are you heading to college with bad credit or no credit and wondering how you'll cover tuition? Have you been denied a loan because you have no credit? Stick around. Today I'm showing you top student loans that say yes when your credit says no. Financing college is tough when lenders want good credit, but the right private student loan can bridge that gap, even if your score is low or non-existent. We've crunched the latest data and updated our picks for 2025, highlighting competitive rates, flexible terms, and lender policies that empower borrowers like you. Start with Funding You is unique because it ignores traditional credit scores and instead focuses on your earning potential and academic standing. You can borrow up to $20,000 per year with 5 or 10-year repayment terms. These fixed-rate loans come with protections like forbearance if life gets tough, and there's no penalty for paying off early. You even get a 0.5% discount on interest if you make interest-only payments while enrolled, plus a $100 Amazon gift card when you finish your bachelor's degree. Still, this lender isn't available in every state, and the fixed rates are higher than some lender options. But for students without a cosigner, Funding You offers real support and tangible rewards post-graduation. College Avenue tops the list for those who can enlist a cosigner. Their rates span 19% to 14%, 49% APR with autopay, and you can borrow up to your total cost of attendance, maxing out at $180,000 over time. Flexible repayment terms range from 5 to 20 years, depending on whether you're in undergrad or graduate school, and they offer deferment, forbearance, and gracious grace periods. Students can apply solo, though international students need a cosigner with decent credit. The downside is you're stuck with that cosigner at least through half the repayment period. Still, College Avenue gives you purchase power and solid protections, and they approve cosigners with scores in the mid-600s, which lowers the barrier to entry. Ascent combines flexibility with fairness for borrowers with no credit or DACA status. You can take out $2,001 to $200,000 as an undergrad or up to $400,000 for graduate programs. Terms stretch from 5 to 20 years, and repayment protections include extended grace periods, up to 36 months depending on the program. There's a 1% auto-pay rate discount and a 1% cashback reward on your principal when you graduate. However, watch out. Those fixed APRs can peak in the mid-teens, and Ascent doesn't offer refinancing options later. But you get cosigner release after just 12 on-time payments, which is one of the fastest in the game. Earnest is a lifesaver if you want full control. With loans available to undergrads, grads, parents, and international or DACA students, you can borrow from $1,000 up to your cost of attendance. Refinance loans extend even further, topping out at $550,000. Terms range from 5 to 15 years, and Earnest offers a 9-month grace period after graduation, no cosigner needed, plus a 0.25% auto-pay discount. You can even skip one payment per year without penalty. If you're a strong credit risk, 650 FICO or better, you can verify your rate with zero impact to your credit score. Earnest also pledges to match competitor offers and throws in a $100 Amazon gift card for qualifying borrowers. The downside? No cosigner release and variable rates aren't available everywhere. Still, Earnest offers customization that few others do. Can you get a student loan with no credit? Federal student loans don't require a credit check, so you can get funding even without a credit profile. Private loans do involve hard inquiries, and if you're credit challenged, your interest rates will reflect that risk. But some of these private lenders, especially Funding You, Ascent, and Earnest, allow approval without a cosigner or release one later, making them strong options for students without credit. So there you have it, 4 strong private student loans that let you move forward, credit history or not. Which one speaks to your situation? Drop your biggest challenge in the comments, and I'll help you pick the best fit. If this video gave you clarity, tap the like button, hit subscribe on Business Snap, and ring the bell so you never miss future guides on smart borrowing and student finances. Want help comparing refinancing, repayment strategies, or budgeting through college. My other vids dive deep into all that. Check them out and keep growing smarter with your money. Thanks for watching, and remember, having low credit doesn't have to close the door on your college dreams. See you in the next one.